You're wasting time reaching out to cold leads because hot leads are just 2 minutes of setup away. And in this video, I'll show you how to find those hot leads visiting your website, viewing your pricing page, and how to contact them immediately using LeadFeeder and Salesforge. So what will LeadFeeder help you do is turn page views into pipeline by identifying website visitors, finding information about them that you can use to reach out to them, right? So on LeadFeeder, click free trial or log in, add your company name, Salesforge.ai. It identified the high intent pages. Basically, if anyone is visiting our pricing page, the login, comparison pages, we know that the lead is showing a high buying intent and we want to capture that. So you can leave the ones found by AI or you can add your own intent page, for example, comparison, click continue, and then you can edit the ideal customer profiles, basically the type of people you're targeting and the type of people you want to work with. Again, you can edit, you can add your own or just go with the AI generated ones. Edit the buyer persona, basically the person you want to talk in that company. So is it the founder? Is it the vice president of sales? Is it C-suite? Is it a manager? Is it junior, right? These all look good. Finish. What you'll need to do then is install the tracking pixel so LeadFeeder could actually identify the website visitors. If you don't know how to do that, there's a tutorial right here, or just send it to your engineer and they'll definitely do that. Once you set up the tracking pixel, every time the LeadFeeder will identify your website visitors, you'll be able to push those leads to Salesforge, which is where the outreach happens, and let me show you how. You go to Salesforge and you log in. We're using Salesforge because it allows unlimited LinkedIn and email outreach. So in Salesforge, what you want to do is go to multi-channel, click add sequence, set up your sequence. It can be email, LinkedIn, or both. Of course, we're doing multi-channel, so click send email. Here you add your email copy, ensure it's spin taxed, then you add a follow-up email, whatever outreach method you're doing, right? I do 2 follow-ups max. Then let's add connection request. If accepted, send a message and send another message. And this is our outreach workflow. Of course, you can do a lot more. You can withdraw the connection request to stay on the LinkedIn's good side. You can add more follow-up. You can add more steps, whatever. But once that's done, once the sequence is built, you go to contacts. This is where you upload the contacts from LeadFeeder, the contacts it finds. You upload them right here, and then you go to senders. Sender is basically a collective of accounts you use for outreach, the mailboxes and LinkedIn accounts. So click new sender, add your mailboxes right here, connect them as many as you want. Same goes for LinkedIn accounts, connect your team accounts to scale this to the stratosphere, right? Once that's done, adjust settings to your liking. I usually like to do plain text only, track opportunities, and launch the sequence. And that's how easy it is to set up outreach to high intent leads with LeadFeeder and Salesforge combo. Now, if you want to see how to actually find a lot more high intent leads that are not just visiting your website, but overall from the world, I suggest you take a look at this video where I show how to use AI to find high quality leads.